Hi everyone, welcome back to Nola the Soloist. Haven't seen you all in a while. So, I'm not gonna talk for too long in this video. I'm just gonna jump right into it. So, this week's outfit is inspired by Missoni. I think if you watched my last video, I did talk about how I would love to actually do more of the projects that was inspired by the Italian designers. So that's exactly what I did. So this next project, it's a very vibrant one. It's a lot of fun. It reminds me of like the 70s. It's interesting. I was watching Real Housewives and of Beverly Hills, and right now I'm so loving Rachel Zoe and how she dresses. It's just so free spirited and fun. She has on a lot of kaftans. It just reminds me of like the 70s. So this particular dress, the silhouette reminds me of the 70s. It's very vibrant. Another designer that I actually like her stuff a lot is Diotima. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of texture. So I kind of merged both. Right now, there's a lot of fringe on the runway, a lot of fun, a lot of texture. So I wanted to add both of those things. So I did combine that. So I'm going to show you the video, show you some of the details, and then I'll put it on and show you guys what it looks like. So this is this week's project. Very vibrant. I did a lot of fringe. I have like a lot of yarn left off. So I decided to just, why not just do a fringe for the arms. I mean for the sleeves, why not? At the end of it. So I decided to just go with the colors. Sorry, let me dust that off. I decided to go with the colors basically that I found on the print that I bought. So it's just white, baby blue, cobalt blue, and black. Just for fun. I could have just made the fringe one color, right? But I didn't feel like doing that. Like I said, go big or go home. So I decided to just add more fun, right? So this is the finished product. So what I did is I made like some crochet cords, and I put beads at the end of them. Again, going with the same colors that I found on here. So the reason why I did this is because I really did not have that much of this fabric left at all. So I just decided I'm just gonna go with the colors. I know I needed the cords to hold these in place. So that's exactly what I did. I got the cords. So yeah, this is the dress. It's definitely, this one goes all the way down. So I'm gonna put it on. So the fabric, I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see. It's a mesh fabric. Surprisingly, I thought my machine would struggle to sew this, but surprisingly, no, it did very well actually. So the sleeves is not too tight. The sleeves is kind of free and comfortable. I don't. It's just a very comfortable outfit. So I appreciate that. But I will put it on so you can see. I love this one. This one is a standout. This is the kind of outfit that when you put it on, you don't need to do too much with the jewelry. So the jewelry is gonna be simple for this one, but I don't know. It's just very beautiful. May or maybe not. I'll put it both ways. I'm gonna leave this jewelry on and change just so you can see what it looks like when I style it with different earrings and stuff, and without a necklace and with a necklace on, so you can see. But yes, this is the finished product. Let me go put it on. I'll be right back. So this is what I have so far. I'm just trying to figure out the measurements and the silhouette, but I ended up picking this one. I just like the pattern a lot on this. So this is the one I ended up going with. I will need like a slip underneath this one because it's kind of really light. But I'm thinking something 70s silhouette with big bell sleeves. That's what I'm thinking for this one. So yeah, I'm gonna start sewing now that I've cut it. I think this should fit pretty well. All right, so
we can't sell those.
Here's what I currently have.
She'll go snitching to the king. The voice
this is
soft,
what the back looks
female.
like. And then I have to put the arms. I'm trying to figure out, I think with the arms, I'm definitely going to, I think for the arms, I'm definitely going to put like longer sleeves for the arms. But
the female said,
I'm going to put like the lace up right here.
To see if she could make out
but
what
yeah,
they were arguing over.
I love it. Love the
what
color.
What could they possibly want to sell that was so bad they didn't want her to see?
This is definitely giving
every time they were in town. That
Missoni.
Was no secret. The male mage took a
here's what I have. But I have also mentioned in passing that I don't like the arms being too tight. It's quite comfortable right now. I wanted to go in and adjust, but now that I think about it, even with the shape of it, it's kind of giving bell sleeves anyway. I think this one more than that one. So I need to still go in and fix this one. But yeah, lengthwise, we'll see. Like I said, I'm going to do a little experiment and see like if I want to add like fringe. Just so hello everyone. So last time I said I wanted to see like what I would do with the sleeves for this, and I decided on fringe, and I'm loving it so far. It's giving me that whimsy that I love. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna make it a little bit fuller, though I feel like it's full enough right now like this. But yeah, I think making the arms fringe was a better idea. Color wise, I tried to just have like pretty much the same colors I have on here, but the green, I tried to not use too much of the green. So right now I have like, I don't even know what to call that green. The light green, the black, the blue, white, light blue. So those are the colors I use, and I just tried to mix them and just make them stripes. But I think it works. Yeah, I think it works. The only thing I think I'm going to do, of course, I still need to finish the neckline. I still need to finish and do some hemming on this. But so far, I love, oh my God, this is going to be such a beautiful dress for the summer. I love it. I love the length of this so much. I just feel like it's just so whimsical. So in case you're seeing any one of my videos for the first time, this dress is inspired by Missoni. Right now, I'm in my color. I guess my goal is to just dress very colorful and whimsical. I would love to see more black girls that just express themselves with a lot of color. So that's what I'm doing. Like, I decided to go on this journey of making my own clothes because I struggle with finding stuff that fits the proportions of my body. As you can see, I'm not someone with a full bust. It's quite small. So every time I buy stuff, sometimes I'm finding that I'm always having to adjust right here. So what I decided is, since I know my body shape currently, and I also know that I think I like drapey fabrics. I think it looks better on me. And also because the widest point on my body is my shoulders, it's always better when I have it more open up here. I feel very comfortable, and I feel like those particular items always look better on me. That's what I believe. So, but yeah. And in terms of the length, so as I'm pulling this up, I think I'm going to raise this up to here. I feel like that will look. So this is the dress. What do you think? I love this one so much. It's so much fun. Look at that. Anyway, so yeah, this is the dress. So I decided to put a cord on up here too, just to make like a big circle right here in the chest and to hold it up also so it's not sliding off my neck. I suppose I didn't really need this cord also, but I just like that look. This is the back of it. That's the back. Very simple silhouette. Yeah, that's it. I know this print is not gonna be for everyone, but I personally, I love it. I love it. It has all my colors that I love. So I personally, I love it. But like I said, it's not for everyone, so I understand that. But yes, this is the finished product. And I will make sure I post it up there somewhere, so you can see what my inspiration was, what two outfits I merged together to produce this one. I still need to work on pants. I know that. It's coming, I promise. I don't know. I feel like I keep hesitating because I'm scared. I don't want to mess up my good fabric. So maybe I'll practice on a fabric that I'm not obsessed with. Because I would like to add pants at some point. But yes, let me know what you think. This is the latest project. Also, oh, I'm gonna so this is how I styled it with the jewelry and stuff. Very simple, as you can see, just one necklace. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I tie this right here. So that's what it looks like with that. And when I put it like that, I don't really necessarily feel like I even need like the necklace. I can go without. But yes, oh, that piece is coming out of my cord. But this is what it looks like. So I always emphasize opening up the shoulders. So this way I still have a little bit of my shoulders open, but it's not. But yes, I crocheted this cord right here to match all the other colors on here. And I did some beadwork also at the end of these. But yeah, this is the arm. These are for those who are brave with pattern, who are not afraid of pattern. I know this one, in comparison to some of the other ones I've worked with, like fabric wise, these may make some people reluctant because it's kind of out there in terms of pattern and colors. There's a lot going on. And to take it up a notch, then I decided, why not? Let's add fringe to the top. My goal is always to create a closet where nobody else has stuff that's in my closet. And I think I'm achieving that. This one is just me. So I love it. It's the merge of both brands I like, Diotima and Missoni. So I think it was successful. I'm gonna show the whole thing now. Alrighty, so here's the dress, all worn. Ugh, still can't see the whole thing. I need to find a way so you can see the whole outfit, but yeah, this is the whole thing. This is the silhouette. Yeah, but I love it. So this is currently how I have it styled. I just have on like some pearls and this necklace. Of course, I don't think I even need this necklace. I can take it off if I want to, but I'm going to change my earrings just to see if I wanted to even turn up the volume more on this outfit, how I would do that. Shoes wise, I just have on some what is it called? Some platforms. It's not super high. I'll say it's about maybe 2.5 inches. I don't like to wear super high heels, but the reason why I have the clogs is because I feel like this silhouette is very 70-ish to me. So that's why I have that on. But let me change out my earrings real quick. So if I was wearing this more like for an evening look, this is how I would do it. I would elevate it by adding like more va-va-voom with the earrings to make it more extra. I always shy away from wearing like too much when it comes to the earrings, but I don't know. For whatever reason, I'm loving this. I don't know if it's the colors on there, but yeah, I love this. I feel like this would be perfect if I was going out in the evening, but I tend to like to wear black more in the evening when I go out. But yes, this is how I would style this. Hair, I won't change much at all. I would just go with all my grays and black, just like this. But yes, what do you think? Do you think it looks better like this with no necklace and just these earrings? Or do you think it looks better with the necklace and just the pearl earrings? What do you think? Like stud or chandelier earrings? Whichever way is beautiful, but I want to know what you all think. What do you think is better? So thank you for watching this video. I really had a lot of fun making this. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video.